as far as I know, I have never made this kit before. Now, if I did make it before, can somebody please remind me what series it was that I did it in? Anyway, it's called the Gentry. And it's going to be kind of a delicate little pen. In fact, it's like a slimline. Now, it's a good thing it's like a slimline, and the reason being is I checked for extra brass tubes. Don't have any. However, the brass tubes for the slimline, which for some reason I've got a glut of them, it happens to be 1.4 millimeters longer than the Gentry tube, and it's the exact same diameter. So in the event I screw up on this one, I'll just shorten this one by 1.4 millimeters. Anyway, yeah, let's get at it. Oh, by the way, takes the same 7 millimeter drill bit as the slimline kits do. This is a free sample of holly that was included in an order that I got from William Woodwright. Once again, I do not recall using this. I may have used holly before, but I'm going to use it now. And yeah, I'm only going to be using half of it. So if I like it, I'll have the other half for another kit. Anyway, like I said, let's get going here. Now I am noticing that I've got a little bit of a knot running through here. Let's remove this label here and just see what we got underneath. Yeah. Okay, you know what that means? We cannot use this end. Now, for those of you who are appalled by the fact that I get my fingers way too close to the table saw blade, and I know that often I do, this is just for you. It's not so scary. Boy, that's hard on the ears. Now when I do this, I have to be very careful not to leave it on here too long because, half the time, if I'm not careful, this heats up and the little wax plug, it comes flying out of there. Now I realize it's a little bit hard to see here, but if you watch closely, you're going to notice that when I let go of the shaft, it's going to float out just a little bit. Good thing I noticed, or it would have set in the wrong place. As you can see, the end of the brass tube is just barely in the end of the blank. And originally, I know you couldn't see it, but it was sticking out, probably a 32nd of an inch. Or a millimeter if you're metric. I'm using an electric drill here because I don't want to get tear out by pushing everything out. So I'm going to try and drill it out with a 15/64 inch bit here. And yeah, but you're going to notice that I got a little bit aggressive here, and in my exuberance I ended up getting tear out anyway. Yep, that was really stupid. That was really stupid. Now I'm hoping that if I use the barrel trimmer, I should be able to get right down to the brass tube, and then this little tear out, well, it should go past that, if you know what I mean. We'll soon know.